Why did the Burrata go to school? Because it wanted to be more cultured. Welcome to Berry Life, where cooking is about having fun, making memories, and sharing plenty of laughter along the way. Today we're making a spicy tomatoes and burrata pasta. Burrata is a cow's milk cheese and comes from southern Italy. It's made with mozzarella. Mozzarella is stretched into a pouch and then stuffed with scraps of mozzarella and cream. This recipe is easy to adjust to your taste and preferences, so let's get started. For this recipe we'll need, you guessed it, some burrata cheese, either large or small, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 to 2 red chilies, a few leaves of fresh basil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 to 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. These are sweeter than the larger tomatoes. We like using this multicolored variety, but you can use the red ones alone. And 8 ounces of pasta, along with half a cup of water or pasta water. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Please be sure to subscribe to help support this channel. It means a lot. There isn't a lot to prep. First, we'll chop the chilies into tiny pieces. The smaller the pieces, the spicier the taste. And next we'll mince the garlic. How do you make a garlic laugh? Tell a clover joke. We'll mince the rest and that's it, we're ready to go. Now we'll boil the pasta. We'll bring a pot of water to boil, add a liberal amount of salt, and cook the pasta to al dente, based on the instructions on the box. These medium shell pasta will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the pasta is cooked, we want to save about a cup of water. We may not use all of it, but it's good to have more and need less than the other way around. With all the ingredients prepared, now we hit the fire. We'll start with a large pan on medium-low heat. We're using the 2 setting on this induction top that goes from 1 to 10. We'll add the butter and let it melt. Once the butter is melted, we'll add the minced garlic and let it soften. Should take about 30 to 60 seconds. Why does Dracula hate garlic bread? It gives him heartburn. To the garlic infused butter, we'll add the chilies and the black pepper to bring the heat. We want to control the temperature in the pan to avoid burning the garlic. Feel free to adjust the spice level to your taste. Now into the pan go the tomatoes. We'll stir to coat the tomatoes and allow them to cook through a little. This can take a few minutes. What's the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Knowledge is knowing a tomato is a fruit, and wisdom is not putting it in a fruit salad. Here we'll add a pinch of salt to help pull the water from the tomatoes so it can enrich the sauce. What did one tomato friend say to the other? Let's catch up. The tomatoes look to be done. Now we'll add the tomato paste. The tomato paste will add an umami element to the sauce. Umami not only helps to enhance the flavors of the other ingredients, but it also helps you feel satisfied and full after a meal. Now we'll add the pasta water. Pasta water will bring the ingredients together into a sauce, and the starch will help it thicken. A British man once told me, if you like vodka and tomato juice so much, why don't you Bloody Mary it? Looks like it could use a bit more water. Now we'll add the heavy cream and stir to combine the sauce until it thickens, and lower the heat to simmer. We'll stir gently to avoid breaking the tomatoes. With the sauce ready, we can now introduce the cooked pasta. Because we didn't rinse the pasta, it will bring additional starch to the game. This will help the sauce bind to the pasta and thicken even more. Since the pasta is already cooked, we only need to coat the pasta with the sauce and heat it through. There, this looks perfect. Now we'll turn off the heat and top the pasta with pieces of burrata. This is a popular cheese with our friends and family. Everyone from kids to adults just love it. Why was the mafia after the burrata? Because it spilled its guts. We'll also add fresh basil leaves to counter the richness of the sauce with its floral brightness. And as an optional ingredient, some red chili flakes. It's not really optional in our household. If you're looking for more burrata recipes, check out the link above to our roasted tomatoes and burrata with crostini recipe. That's it, time to feast, because dinner is served. Please let us know in the comments below your favorite burrata recipe. We'd love to hear from you. Also be sure to click the like button, this will help others find this video. And follow us by clicking on subscribe for more great recipes. There you have it, spicy tomatoes and burrata pasta. A taste of southern Italy in the comfort of your own kitchen. My mouth is already watering, I can't wait to dig in. The juiciness of the tomatoes cuts through the richness of the cream, and the slight sweetness of the burrata counters the spice. Oh man, this is worth the hype. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. Come on, Basil.